So you want to show the world your life on two wheels. You just started riding, you're taking it out for the first few times, and you want to capture the experience of the ride. A big part of capturing this in a video isn't necessarily the quality of the video, it's more to do with the audio. So if you care about audio as much as I do and geek out about it, then listen up. Alright, so I strapped the GoPro onto my helmet, took it out for a ride, got home only to realize that the audio was garbage. So this is a lavalier mic. It's by the company Saramonic. It ran me about $30, and it's really cool because it comes with this lightning cable that you connect directly to your phone, and you can start recording on there. So fresh out of the box, this mic is actually pretty bad, especially when you take it on a motorcycle because of the wind noise, right? The microphone isn't calibrated for the loud environment of a motorcycle helmet. So what you have to do is download an app. It's called Voice Record Pro, I think. I'll link it to you guys in the description so you guys can use it. It's free. So what this app lets you do is it lets you adjust the gain of your microphone so that you can reduce its sensitivity pretty much. -5 to -10 for me, I guess, would be a good ballpark figure to start at. So this is a pretty convenient solution to the whole audio issue, and it's pretty cheap and it can work for most people since most people have an iPhone. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along for a test ride and let you guys see what it's all about. All right, peace out. So here we go, guys. Welcome to the mic test again. I am on my way to church because I'm a volunteer there, so I just had to close my visor real quick. So yeah, I'm on my way to church. I forgot my gloves. I don't know if I lost my gloves or not. Normally I don't ride without gloves, but yeah, I feel naked without riding without gloves, and my hands feel sweatier. All right, guys. One thing you guys should look out for is the position of the microphone within your helmet. You don't want it to be too close to your mouth because then you're gonna get like that popping sound, and your mic is gonna cut out from being from having noise levels that are too high. So what you want to do, what I like doing is I like putting it right on top of my cheek pad, pointed towards my mouth, because you don't want it pointing away from you either. If you guys want some tips on how I set up my GoPro to record better than just that normal crappy GoPro quality, let me know. I love doing all this stuff, and I can teach you guys how to edit it in whatever software you're using so that you guys can mess with the colors to make them look better. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm a new rider. I've been riding for a week now, and if you guys want to follow along my journey as I enter this motorcycle lifestyle, then yeah, stay tuned, guys. Let's test out the mic as I'm going faster than just 20 miles an hour, right? I'm about to go about like 45 to 50, so let's see how that sounds. Doesn't sound too bad, does it? Sounds pretty good. Obviously you're still gonna pick up wind noise because it's loud as hell. But don't be discouraged by that, you know. The people that are watching these videos want part of that experience too. They want to be able to hear the wind, they want to be able to hear the engine. So one of the things you want to look out for, that I learned the hard way after a few times recording this way, you want to make sure that most of the vents on your helmet are closed so you can block the air from coming in. I know it's going to be uncomfortable, it's going to get sweaty and like stuffy in here, but if you want better audio, it's kind of the sacrifice you have to make, you know. That's just kind of how it is. So yeah, I have one of the vents open. They're the ones that are right above the eyebrow line. I don't know if your guys' helmet has the same ones, but I use those. I leave those open, and there's like a nice breeze that is distributed all across my face. So yeah, that should be it, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you even though I don't know you, and peace out.